Ow! Huh?
You're hurt.
My name is Nataku.
Is this rain that cuts our bodies your doing?
No, it's mine. I am Shugo Asagi. I have mastered all the vagaries of water.
Please come with us. We've been sent to escort you.
Escort me where?
Come with us and find out.
What will you do if I refuse?
I've been given my orders and your refusal plays no part in them.
That's a pity!
Oh, how did I know there'd be complications? You're good, Kamui. However, I'm only just beginning to flex my muscles.
It was not my intention to hurt you, but you left me no choice, as you won't cooperate freely.
Well, hey there! Don't you just hate it when you see two beating up on one? Though I've no objection to you two taking your chances against us five. You see, it's fine when the numbers are on my side.
Doesn't sound fair to me.
You'll understand when you're a little older.
Well, I'm a lot older, and I know that it isn't fair, but that's just how it goes.
Oh, yes, that's very dramatic, but I'm not sure how useful it is. Oh, sure, the shield will put the area within it into another dimension, and then any damage occurring within the shield will not be replicated in the real world. Big deal. Don't forget, if the creator of that power shield's killed, which he could be at any time, drowned for argument's sake, then the power of the shield will be nullified, and the full force of the damage will be felt.
Well, that's the theory.
I've seen it with my own eyes. A dragon of the heavens died and its shield crumbled. Let me show you how it was.
That's a neat trick he's got there.
Hey, it's no better than tricks I've seen you play, hmm?
Thanks, Nuki. You're always there.
Listen, old buddy, we're here to have a word with Kamui as well. So why don't you two just butt out? I'm sorry, but you haven't got a monopoly on rain, you know.